Students, today we will do exercise 7B, question number 4. And the question is find the complementary angle of the given angles. We have to find the complementary angle. This is unknown angle. We don't know what is the complementary angle of the given angles. Some angles are given to you. For example, in first part of the question, the first given angle is 65 degree. If you will look at the book, second part is 12 degrees, third part is 82 degrees, and D part is 47 degrees. These are the given angles and you have to find their complementary angle. First of all, I will tell you the definition of complementary angle. Two angles are complementary if their sum is 90 degree. I am repeating, two angles are complementary if their sum is 90 degree. I will explain you here with the help of an example. You can see that this is 90 degree angle. It is a right angle. Now I divide this 90 degree into two parts. Now for example, this is, for example, let's say 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. This is given angle because I am telling you the measurement of this angle, and you have to tell what is the measurement of this angle. Obviously this angle is 60 degree. How it is 60 degree? 90 degree minus 30 degree gives us 60 degree. It means that this angle is 60 degree. Now, if you add 60 plus 30 gives us 90 degree. Now, according to the definition, two angles are complementary if their sum is 90. The sum of 60 and 30 gives us 90. It means that 60 and 30 are complementary to each other. My given angle was 30 degree and you found the complementary angle, that is 60 degree. The complementary angle of 30 is 60 degree, in other words. And we can say that the complementary angle of 60 degree is 30 degree. Both are complementary to each other because their sum is 90 degree. This was the quick explanation of complementary angles. Now we will do it with our exercise. A part is 65 degree. 65 degree is given to you. It is question. This is the given angle. Okay, this is the given angle and this is given angle. Okay, in the next step I will tell you what is the formula. Formula is complementary. I'm just writing COMP because the space, I don't have much space. Complementary angle, this is the sign of angle, is equals to right angle, right, and this is the symbol of angle, right angle minus given angle, and this is the symbol of angle. In the next step we will write complementary angle is equals to right angle is 90 degree and the given angle is 65 degree. We will subtract 65 from 90 and it will give us 25 degrees. In the last line we will write complementary, COMP dot means complementary angle of 65 degree is 25 degree because the sum of 65 and 25 is 90 degree. Now this I will mark the degree signs. 65 degree, 90 degree, 65 degree, 25 degree. Again here degree sign, and I am putting degree signs with my pencil because I don't know how to put degree sign with the writing, text writing. Okay, the next part of this question is, B part is 12 degrees is the B part of the question. Yes, same, following the same steps, complementary angle is equals to right angle minus given angle. Given angle, and that is equals to right angle is 90 degree minus given angle 90 degree minus given angle is 12 degree, and that is equals to 12 minus 90 gives us 78. In the last line we will write complementary angle of complementary angle of 12 degree is 90 degree. According to the definition, two angles are complementary of 12 degree is 78 degree. I'm sorry. Complementary angle of 12 degree is 78 degree. According to the definition, two angles are complementary if their sum is 90. See, the sum of 12 and 78 is 90. That's why both angles are complementary to each other. Okay, the third C part is 82 degrees. We have to find the complementary angle of 82 degrees. We will use the same formula, right angle minus given angle. We have to subtract given angle from the right angle. Given angle is 92 degree, right angle is 90 degree. 82 minus subtract 82 from 90 gives us 8 degree. It means that complementary angle of 82 degree is 8 degree, because 82, the sum of 82 and 8 is 90 degree. Similarly, the D part is 47. This 47 degree, this is our given angle. 47 degree is our given angle. We will use the same formula, complementary angle is equals to right angle minus given angle. 90 minus 47 gives us 43 degree. It means that complementary angle of 47 degree is 43 degree. Why both are complementary? Why 43 is complementary to 47? Because their sum is 90 degree, and this is the definition of complementary angle, that two angles are complementary if their sum is 90 degree. Okay, we should put the degree sign with all the numbers, because these are degrees: 72 degrees, 78 degrees, 78 degrees, 90 degrees, 12 degrees, here 12 degrees. These are degrees.